The Queen Helena Canadian-Croatian Cultural and Charitable Society was formed in 1978 by a small group of Croatian immigrants in the Kitchener-Waterloo region with the hopes of preserving their culture and heritage. Celebrating its 45th anniversary this year, the group has entertained audiences throughout Canada, the United States, and Europe. Tonight's national anthem is presented by Civilian Screen Printing and features the Queen Helena Canadian-Croatian Cultural and Charitable Society. Please stand as you're able and remove your hat for the singing of our national anthem as performed by the Queen Helena Canadian-Croatian Cultural and Charitable Society.
It's the Rangers and the Sioux. The puck is about to drop, and we're going to press on and have the happiest Friday night game.